My name is Gary Quillin. I'm with Total Roofing and Construction. Been a project manager here for 10 years. I'm here today to talk a little bit about vinyl siding, some of the pros and cons, and some things for homeowners to think about when considering replacing siding or a vinyl siding project. Pros, I would say, you don't have to paint it. A lot of wood siding you have to paint and recaulk seams every so often or it starts to break down. Vinyl, for the most part, is maintenance free. Once you put it up, you don't have to do anything other than maybe wash it every so often. It's easy to work with as far as maintenance. So if you have a broken piece of siding, it's really easy to pop a piece off and replace it with a new piece. Compared to some of the other sidings, it's very cost effective. Things like LP, Hardy, some of the higher end sidings can get pretty high up there as far as a price point. Vinyl has so many different options, so there's different color options, different thicknesses. All those kind of give you different price points. So you could have anything from like a 040 up to 046. The thicker the siding panel, obviously the more sturdier it's going to be, a little bit more resistant to rocks and other things from cracking it or chipping it. But it gives you a lot of options too as far as colors go. There's deep, dark colors, there's some of the standard colors, and they all have different price points. So it gives you a lot of flexibility as a homeowner to kind of customize what you're looking to do, whether it's stay within a certain budget or go for a certain appearance and look. Some of the cons is the colors do fade over time. It is a vinyl product, so over the years it's going to start to fade a little bit. There's been a lot of upgrades in some of the product manufacturing to kind of combat that. Kind of do your due diligence to research some of the better products versus some of the cheaper products. It's not as durable as other types as well. So if you do have rocks or kids throwing a baseball or something that might hit it, it will crack. It can break, as opposed to some of the wood sidings, hardy board, LP. But the good thing is it's easily repairable. So it's kind of, pick and choose what works best for you. Over the years, you can have some different color changes from the manufacturers. So, that could be an issue where if you do down the road, 10, 15 years down the road, have an issue where you have to make a repair, maybe the same color isn't available. Also, some of the compatibility with different products. So if you can't find that same product that's available, you can usually find something similar that will work, but sometimes because of the different profiles or the different locking tabs, they don't fit very well together, and you could have issues with trying to repair an older vinyl siding piece. So again, just a couple of things just to think about when you're doing a vinyl project. Think about your price points, what are you trying to accomplish, and kind of pick and choose what's best for you and what you're looking for.